Here's a 2018 GMC Canyon. It's a mid-size pickup with big truck capabilities, giving you something your heart and head can agree on. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Cars.com writes, it's by far the most luxurious and mild-mannered mid-sized truck in its class, and that upscale feeling doesn't come at the expense of payload and towing. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Our goal at Delray Buick GMC is to continue to be a leader in the industry. We're conveniently located at 2400 South Federal Highway in Delray Beach, Florida.